Have you ever been taking your profits earlier than your points? And have you ever been moving a stop loss up and down? If yes, then it's totally fine. Everyone does that. Even I have done that in the past when I was learning, when I was struggling with trading. But that's totally fine. All you need to do is just fix this part of your trading, as emotions plays a really big role in your trading. If you have no control on your emotions, then the results will be really, really bad. So all we need to do is just to fix your trading psychology. For that, I want to show you three of the trades I've taken this week and last week, so that it will help you in the trading psychology. You will understand what to look and what to avoid, and what would be the results if I would have taken my profits early, or if I would have moved my stop losses. So it will really help you in your trading psychology if you want to see this part of the video. So let's start with this trade right here. So I've sent this trade on my Telegram channel. If you have seen that right here on the screens, the market was right here. And what happened is, as you can see, the market pushed up. It was about to hit my take profit. And at this point, you would be like, won't be long until we got a money in our bank. But what happens after that? The market pushes down, and then you start getting panicking. So what normally the struggling traders do, they either exit their trades at this point, or what happens is, if your trades are still running, the market pushed down. As you can see, you were in a profit at this point, and at this point your mental state would be like, oh, I should have taken my profit at this point, now it's going in the loss. And at this point you'll be thinking, once the market come back to my entry point, I will exit my trade on break even. Now you would be praying that, please God, bring the market back to my point or to the entry point so that I can exit the trade on zero loss. Right here, as you can see, the market came near to the stop loss. And at this point, you badly want the market to go and come back to your entry point so that you can exit your trades. What happens after that? Market came to your entry point and you would exit your trade at break even. And if you see what happens after that, market pushes up and hit the take profit. It was a roller coaster ride. As you can see, the market was near to my take profit. It came back down, it came back up, it came back down, then it hit the take profit, and it was a pain in the ass trade. But in the end, you got your reward. All you need to do is to be patient. So now if I would have exit my trade here, I would be regretting after that, and I would be cursing myself. This is how you need to control your psychology. Once you are in the trade, make sure to keep it running until it hit your stop loss or you take profit. Another example of the trade, let me show you the heartbreaker trade right here. This was a trade I have taken right here. What happened is, I entered right here, market pushed up. As you can see, it was just a pip away from a take profit, and from here the market pushes down and hit my stop loss. I did not take my profit here. It happens in trading. Trust me, guys, it happens to me so many times. I never exit my trade until it hit my take profit or it hit my stop loss. So in that case, I've taken the first trade, Australian versus New Zealand dollar. That was a take profit. If I would have exited that trade, that would be a loss for me. And then this would be a loss for me, the second trade. In trading, you will see this type of situation. All we need to do is just to control your emotions. And now let me show you another trade I've taken. This is the third trade I have taken along with the first one and the second one. And you can see I entered right here. This was the trade I've sent to my priority members as well. I entered right here. As you can see, market pushed up, came back down. It came back down here first, about to hit my stop loss, pushed back up, came back down, and then eventually it hit my take profit. So now, if I would have exit my trade at break even, fearing that the market would have hit my stop loss once it was here, and I would have a fear that it will go back down again. It did happen here again. That would be another shitty feeling, but eventually it hit my take profit. So out of three trades, only one was my losing trade. These both trades are a winning trade. And imagine if I would be exiting my trade here and I would be exiting the my first trade on break even, then with that I have taken one full losing trade and two trades maybe out on break even or maybe out before the profit. So you need to fix this thing as well. Trust me, guys, in a long run, if you control your trading psychology, let your trade run, at the end of the month or the end of the year, you will come out profitable. So make sure you follow your rules. Make sure you do not do that in your trading. So that is it. I want to show you guys just a little lecture. I hope you got some value out of it and I hope you learned something out of it. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas first. Okay, right here, what do we have as per my yesterday's video? Let me quickly show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect it from there. We have push down, push up, push down. The way I've mentioned, I expect a double bottom move like this, and this is a valid double bottom move. The way I trade double bottoms and double top, I expect a good push out of these zone, at least 1.4 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which is something like this. Awesome. Our target has been hit today right here. We had 1.4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. We had a greater reward than our risk. As you can see, we had a nice trade out of this zone, and the patience paid off. We've been waiting for the market to hit our zone, and with a good reason to enter with this engulfing candle, we had a take profit hit today. This is how you need to follow your rules, and you need to follow the condition of entry. So now what to expect next? As I've said in my previous video, that we can expect a push down from 50 EMA. It did not hit 50 EMA yet, but it has a support of 20 EMA. Market is still not bearish at this point, but we can expect a pullback maybe further down, and then we can expect another candle to push up. So this is the zone. 50 EMA is a barrier here. We can still expect a push up, hit 50 EMA, then we can expect a push down again. At this point, once we have a break and close above 50 EMA, we can expect a market to hit the next minor level of resistance right here. So once it closes above 50 EMA, make sure you exit your trade here, because this is the minor level of resistance. We can expect another pullback from here. If you can see in the past, the market pushes down from here, pushes down from here twice, and then pushed up from here. So this level has acted as a good level of support and resistance. So that is why I'm paying attention to this level. Make sure once it hit the target, you exit your trade and look for another good reason to enter after that. So gas is still bullish. Yes, we can expect pullbacks for another entry. Right here on currency.com, similar situation, guys. Wait for the market to break above 50 EMA. This is just a pullback. We can get another pullback before we get another good push up again. If we get an engulfing candle here, that would be another sign of bullish move. Once we break above 50 EMA, then I will look for a pullback entry, and then we have a next resistance right here. This is our next resistance, from where once we have a good break and close above, this is the place I want to exit my trade and look for a further bullish pressure, which I will update you guys as usual. So that's all for natural gas. Still bullish, not selling. It is still in a buying area, and I expect market to push up further from here. Want to see a break and close above. Yes, we do not have a condition to enter. That is why I'm not entering, but my bias for natural gas is still bullish. Let's check gold. Right here for gold, let me show you what I've said in my previous video. Gold is now making lower lows, as you can see, and you can see it formed a good bearish engulfing candle between this zone. Okay, awesome. What do we have here? We had a nice entry right here below our zones. The entry would be, this would be my entry candle, and this would be my take profit right here. 1809 would be my take profit. According to the ATR, I expect a push down to this level, which is 1809. Looks bearish. As per my yesterday's video, from here I will look for a bounce out of this zone, which is 1811, goes down to 1804. So this is what gold looks to me. Let's check crude oil. Okay, great. As per my yesterday's video, we broke above this zone. Now need to see one thing. Now we are above our zone, our major level of support, which was previously a level of resistance, and we got this nice pin bar here as well. We are now above the green zone. Looking at that, if I want to enter this trade, I would be entering few pips above, and my target would be 118.042, from where I will look for a selling pressure, look for sell trade if I get a good reason to enter. So oil is still bullish, still expect a good push up. Looking at this nice pin bar or a 382 candle. Let's see if it's a 382 candle or not. As you can see, it is a valid 382 candle. Looks like a nice bullish pressure. So that's all for commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.